महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
into the rhythmic celebration, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to each one of you gathered here today.
We would like to inform that our chief guest and guest of honor will be joining us a little later than scheduled. To mark this special occasion, I now request, while our esteemed chairman is unable to join us today, his vision and blessings are always with us. We gratefully acknowledge his unwavering support in shaping our institution and this wonderful celebration.
We are privileged to have our CEO, Mr. Vineet, with us today, whose leadership and dedication drive excellence in all our endeavors. We welcome you, sir. I request our Vice Principal, ma'am, to felicitate our CEO, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. A special welcome to our principal, Dr. Madhavi, ma'am, whose commitment to education and innovation lights the path of our students. I request our Kannada faculty, Mr. Manjunath, sir, to felicitate our principal, ma'am. We welcome you, ma'am.
We also welcome our Vice Principal, ma'am, Mrs. Pavitra Avinash, whose support and encouragement strengthen our academic community. We are delighted to welcome Mrs. Lola, ma'am, our academic advisor of our school, whose guidance and support continue to inspire both teachers and students. I request Mrs. Kavita to felicitate our dear Lola, ma'am.
We welcome you, ma'am. A hearty welcome Thank you, Kavita ma'am, whose tireless efforts behind the scenes make every event and every day at our school run smoothly. I also take this moment to warmly welcome our dedicated coordinators, teachers, and who are the pillars of this institution, who nurture and guide our students with dedication and care, and our admin team and support staff who have always been supportive and helpful.
A very special welcome to our dear parents whose support and encouragement make every success possible. And finally, to our beloved students, the true stars of the day, this celebration is for you. Your talent, hard work, and spirit shine bright. And today, we applaud your achievements. Together, your presence makes this gathering truly memorable. Today is not just about speeches and ceremonies. It's about celebration, joy, and the shining stars of the day, our students.
So, let's sit back, relax, and get ready to cheer, clap, and maybe even dance a little in our seats as we celebrate talent, hard work, and dreams taking flight. After all, what's a special day without a little sparkle, a few smiles, and a whole lot of applause?
Light symbolizes knowledge, purity, and the beginning of new possibilities. To mark the start of our annual day, I request our dignitaries to join us for the lighting of the
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು ನಡುನಾಡಿರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡಿರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು ಮರೆತೇವು ಮರೆವ ತೆರೆದೇವು ಮನವ ಎರೆದೇವು ಒಲವ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ ನರ ನರವನೆಲ್ಲ ಹುರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಹೊಸೆದು ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹರಿವನಕ ಸಾಲು ದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಕ ಬೀರೇವು ಹಚ್ಚಿರುವ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯ ರೂಪ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದಂತೆ ತೋರೇವು ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹರಿವನಕ ಸಾಲು ದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಕ ಬೀರೇವು ಹಚ್ಚಿರುವ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯ ರೂಪ.
Thank you, dignitaries, for the lamp lighting ceremony. With this auspicious start, we are now ready to unfold an evening of celebration and talent. With the lamp lit and its light symbolizing wisdom and new beginnings, we now call upon our talented grade 9 and 10 students to lead us in the invocation song.
मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदैत्यकं नटाशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न तेतरातिभीकरं नवोदितार्कभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जनं नटादिकापदुर्धरम् सुरेश्वरं निरेश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेदरोदरं वरं वरे भवत्रमक्षरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतां नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनातिमर्जनं चिरन्तनोऽपिभाजनं सुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणम् प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् विदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्तरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय कृन्तनम् निरन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण यो नहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरं गणेश्वरम् अरोगतामदोषतां सुसाहिती सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुराष्ट्रभूतिमभ्यपर्ति सोचिरात् जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश पाहि मां जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश रक्ष मां
you for that beautiful invocation song. The divine melody has set a beautiful and auspicious tone for today's celebration. Let's give them a big round of applause. To present an overview of our school's progress, achievements, and major milestones of the year, I now invite our principal, Dr. Madhvi ma'am, followed by our CEO, Mr. Vineet, sir, to share the school report of the year 24-25.
Respected Chairman, sir, Shri Manjunath, we regret his absence this day. CEO, Mr. Vineet, Academic Advisor, Mrs. Lola Shivshankar ma'am, Vice Principal, Mrs. Pavitra Avinash, coordinators, teachers, dear parents, other staff, and my beloved students. A very good evening to one and all. It gives me immense pride to present the annual report for the academic year 2024-25, a year marked by growth, achievement, innovation, and collaboration. Our collective efforts, students, teachers, parents, and management, have strengthened the school's commitment to the academic year, rooted in values, discipline, and excellence. The academic year commenced with a structured and warm reopening for the students of PP1 to grade 12. Orientation programs helped students transition smoothly in their new classes, understand expectations, and to settle into the disciplined academic routine. A phased reopening in May 2024 supported the bridge courses and co-curricular engagements, ensured a confident and positive start. Our pre-primary wing welcomed young learners into joyful learning environment with age-appropriate activities and engaging icebreaker sessions, enabling children to feel comfortable and connected to school. Infrastructure and facilities, strengthening of digital classrooms and laboratories facilities, expansion of library resources, campus safety measures, and refurbishing projects. These initiatives significantly enriched teaching learning experiences. Parent engagement. We strengthened our partnership with parents through regular orientation programs, open houses, and academic review meetings, workshops on parenting, digital safety, and mental wellness. We had our parents' orientation on 18th of May for pre-primary and primary parents, while secondary and higher secondary parents had it on the 3rd of June 2024. PTM, PVV encourages frequent parent-teacher interactions as they play a crucial role in fostering communication between educators and parents, providing an opportunity for teachers to share students' progress and address any concerns and collaborate with parents on strategies to support academic and personal growth. Father's Day. Father's Day was observed in school to recognize and appreciate the vital role fathers play in the growth and well-being of children and significance of a father's support, guidance, and values in shaping child's character. Students expressed their gratitude through short performances and handmade tokens of appreciation. The event helped strengthen the bond between students and their fathers and reinforced the importance of parental involvement in school activities. Grandparents' Day. PVV Pre-Primary celebrated Grandparents' Day on 9th of September 2024 with joyful activities like palm printing and fun games. Grandparents participated enthusiastically, showed positive feedback, and created memories with their grandchildren, making the event a grand success. Academic excellence. Our students demonstrated consistent academic progress through improved board examination results, continuous assessments, remedial support, and differentiated learning strategies. Focus on higher order thinking skills and competitive exams readiness. Experiential teaching and learning. Teachers integrated experiential learning, project-based tasks, and technology-driven classes. Lesson plans were strengthened to accommodate diverse learning styles, visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, ensuring inclusion and deeper understanding. Regular professional development programs empowered teachers to enhance pedagogy and classroom management. Capacity building programs Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya hosted a capacity building program for grade 11 and 12 economics teachers by Bangalore Sahodaya, with the resource person covering syllabus details, marking schemes, and project originality, while motivating teachers with strategies to enhance classroom impact and professional growth. Our teachers have attended the CPB training pertaining to their subjects and general topics all year long, hosted by the Center of Excellence CBSE. Empowering Educators, a workshop for teachers was organized in collaboration with Surasa. Teachers' Day celebration. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 6th of September with great joy and enthusiasm by the high school students who organized fun games and presented classical cultural performances to express their love and gratitude towards their teachers. Both teaching and non-teaching staff were appreciated for their outstanding contributions and were presented with mementos by our CEO, Mr. Vineet. It was a memorable and heartwarming day for everyone. Teachers' Day trip to RD Nature Resort. The teachers of our school enjoyed a refreshing and well-deserved outing that provided a perfect break from routine, offering moments of relaxation, bonding, and joyful togetherness. Fun games, nature walks, and leisure time at the resort created an atmosphere filled with laughter and camaraderie. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities. A vibrant range of activities throughout the year encouraged creativity, teamwork, and self-expression. Sports, arts, music, dance, and literary events saw enthusiastic participation. Students excelled in inter-school competitions, bringing laurels to the institution. Clubs and house activities helped students build relationship, leadership qualities, and life skills. World Environment Day was observed on 5th of June 2024 at our school with the objective of fostering environmental awareness and encouraging responsible behavior among students. The program included a special assembly highlighting the theme of the year, Reduce, Reuse, Recycle, followed by informative speeches, skit, and dance by students with the mantra for a healthier planet by using the theme. Various activities such as sapling plantation, poster making, and eco-friendly pledges to promote sustainable practices on campus and a silent march to the neighborhood to preach our theme were organized. The event successfully instilled a sense of responsibility and inspired students to adopt environmentally conscious habits throughout the year. School Student Council elections. We successfully conducted the School Students Council elections on 15th of June in a smooth, transparent, and organized manner. Students participated with enthusiasm, filed nominations responsibly, and campaigned following the school's guidelines. Voting was carried out peacefully. The event helped promote leadership, responsibility, and democratic values among our students. International Yoga Day. The school observed International Yoga Day on 21st June of 2024 with an organized mass yoga session conducted on the school grounds. Students and teachers participated enthusiastically, performing a series of guided asanas and breathing exercises. The event aimed to promote physical fitness, mental well-being, and discipline among students. The program reflected school's commitment to holistic development and the integration of wellness practices into a daily life. National Doctors Day. PVV observed the Doctors Day on 1st of July to honor physicians and their contributions to the society. The opportunity to recognize the critical role physicians play in preserving and enhancing public health and well-being. Dr. Sunil Mahale, dental surgeon PGDMA, and Dr. Gayatri Anil Kumar who accepted our invite and educated our students with oral hygiene and general health, right from how to brush the teeth to how to develop healthy habits to maintain a good health. Investiture ceremony. PVV proudly conducted the investiture ceremony on 6th July to formally induct the newly elected members of the School Students' Council. The ceremony marked a significant moment where young leaders took their oath of responsibility, commitment, and service to the school. The elected council members were presented with badges by the chief guest, Commander Ramesh Menon, symbolizing their new roles and trust placed in them. The event celebrated student leadership, discipline, and teamwork, inspiring all students to uphold the values of PVV and work towards a vibrant and progressive school environment. Planetarium Show. Our school organized an exciting planetarium show on 29th July 2024 to spark curiosity about space and astronomy among the students. The portable dome set up on campus provided a realistic 360 degrees immersive experience of night sky, planets, stars, and constellation. Students enjoyed learning about the solar system, space missions, and celestial phenomena in an engaging and interactive way. The show enhanced their scientific understanding and ignited a sense of wonder about the universe. General health checkup at school. Our school conducted a general health checkup to ensure the well-being of all students. A team of qualified doctors and health professionals examined the children and staff and assessed key health parameters such as height, weight, vision, dental hygiene, and overall physical fitness. The checkup helped in identifying any emerging health concerns and guiding parents on timely preventive care. The activity reinforced our commitment to promoting a healthy school environment and supporting the holistic development of every child. The donation camp at school. Qualified medical professionals conducted the camp with utmost care, ensuring a safe, hygiene, and smooth process for every donor. This meaningful initiative not only promoted social responsibility but also strengthened the bond between the school and its parent-teacher community. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to all the donors and volunteers for their noble contribution and support in making the camp success. POXO and POSH awareness session. In today's time, incidents related to child abuse and safety are a serious concern. As responsible educators, it is essential to equip children with the right knowledge at the right time. Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya conducted an offline awareness session on good touch and bad touch for the students of grade 4 to 7, facilitated by Shai Foundation, an NGO based in Ahmedabad, working actively on POXO and POSH awareness for students and teachers. The trainer sensitively explained the concept of good and bad touch through engaging discussions and real-life examples. Students were guided on personal safety, self-esteem, and appropriate responses in uncomfortable situations. The session effectively addressed students' doubts, empowered them with confidence, and provided clear guidance to help them stay safe and make informed decisions in future. Learn to Swim has been a part of our curriculum as a life skill for the grades 1 to 5. PVV hosted additionally Science Project Day, National Mathematics Day, Hindi Divas, Sanskrit Divas, Bal Mela for pre-primary, Christmas and year-end celebrations. Children's Day, Olympiad, exams, Veer Gatha. Inclusive education and student support. We continued our commitment to supporting all students. Individualized learning plans and remedial sessions were provided for students with academic challenges with the help of an in-house counselor. Parent meetings and counseling sessions helped build stronger home-school collaboration. Field trips. A visit to plant nursery. Students visited a nearby plant nursery on 30th of July 2024 as a part of their experiential learning activity. The nursery staff explained the importance of soil, sunlight, water, and proper care for healthy plant growth. Students also gained awareness about the role of plants in maintaining ecological balance. The visit was informative and enjoyable, helping students develop a greater appreciation for nature and environment. Education field trip. An educational field trip to the Butterfly Park at Bannerghatta Zoo was organized for the pre-primary children on 27th September. The visit offered a meaningful learning experience on butterflies, often called flying Jew. The children were excited throughout the trip, enjoying the greenery, open spaces, and sight of colorful butterflies is being released in the park. They observed caterpillars, cocoons, and butterfly exhibits at the museum, which further enhanced their curiosity. Walking on the hanging bridge added a sense of adventure to their day. The visit provided valuable exposure, encouraged exploration, and offered a refreshing break from routine, leaving the young learners cheerful and rejuvenated. Seva, social empowerment through work, education, and action. SEVA is a CBSE initiative that promotes students' holistic well-being through experimental learning. As part of a program, grade 10 students of PVV school visited Kadagal Resort for a day of activities focusing on health, teamwork, emotional and social development. The SEVA activities helped students build leadership, communication, critical thinking and responsible decision-making skills. The students thoroughly enjoyed the hands-on learning and enriching physical activities. Field to Bamul Nandini Dairy Factory. Students of grades 4 to 12 visited the Bamul Nandini Dairy Factory in Kanakpura Road, where they observed production of butter, milk powder and ice cream. They enjoyed tasting fresh butter and churned ice cream and also watched a documentary on the process of production. The trip enriched students' learning through real-life observation and helped develop their linguistic, logical, naturalistic and interpersonal skills. The day was a wonderful opportunity for the staff to strengthen team spirit, celebrate their hard work and return with rejuvenation. Bal Bhavan was a fun and memorable trip for grades 1 to 3. Children enjoyed exciting rides like a dragon and toy trains, explored the beautiful garden and played in the kids area. After a delicious picnic lunch, we ended the day with a group photo capturing a day filled with joy, learning and laughter. Festivals at PVV. National Festivals, Independence Day. Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya School celebrated 78th Independence Day on 15th August 2024. The program began with the invocation song and hoisting of the flag. A group of students from grades 4, 5 and 6 performed a wonderful dance and musical skit which showcased the struggle of freedom fighters. Our students were dressed like leaders of the nation. There was perfect silence when the students played Sare Jahan Se Acha on the keyboard, and the spirit of patriotism and freedom filled in everyone's heart. Karnataka Rajyotsava on 7th of November 2024. Our school celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava with pride and joy. The day began with the flag hoisting and singing of the state anthem. Students showcased folk dances, songs and speeches highlighting Karnataka's rich culture. A fancy dress event featured historical figures like Kitturu Rani Chennamma and Kuvempu. The celebrations concluded with patriotic songs fostering pride and unity. Cultural festivals. Sri Krishna Janmashtami celebration. Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya celebrated Sri Krishna Janmashtami with great devotion and enthusiasm. Students and teachers participated in colorful cultural programs, including dance, skits, bhajan, depicting the life and teachings of Lord Krishna. The festivities were further enlivened with traditional rituals and activities like pot-breaking ritual and Gita recitation competition, creating a joyful and spiritual atmosphere for everyone. Ganesha Chaturthi, students participated in pencil sketching and clay model making activities for the Ganesha festival. Onam celebration. On 13 September 2024, PVV celebrated Onam with a special assembly, vibrant Pookalam, Tiruvatira Kali by teachers, Maveli Pulikali by students, tug-of-war and a flower rangoli competition. The day was colorful, energetic and full of fun for all. Dashara doll show at PVV. Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya celebrated Dashara with a vibrant doll show on the theme of Ramayana. Students and staff showcased beautifully crafted dolls depicting key episodes from the epic. The display was colorful and educational, bringing alive the story of Lord Rama, Sita and Ravana. The event was enjoyed by all, reflecting creativity and festive spirit. Deepavali celebrations. Our school organized a vibrant diya decoration activity, drawing of diyas and coloring of diya competition, where students showcased their creativity and artistic Goddess Saraswati. The celebration was followed by Prize Day, where students were honored for their achievements in co-curricular activities, both literary and cultural competitions held every month throughout the year, inspiring excellence and all-round growth, achievements and recognition. This year was particularly special as the school received recognition in several areas. Purna Vikasa Vidyalaya won an award in the category of Best K-12 Schools for its holistic approach by Education Today. Principal also was honored with an Effective Principal Award, a recognition dedicated to our entire PVV family. Our teachers were acknowledged for their dedication, creativity and commitment to student growth with awards and rewards. Vismay of grade 5 has been the topper national topper in Spelby International with 97%, and 10 more students of our school also have bagged gold and silver medals. Kalabharati Child Art Institute felicitated our students for their outstanding work in the art and handwriting competition at the national level. The school community celebrated multiple academic and cultural accomplishments throughout the year. Looking ahead, as we move up each year, we aim to deepen experiential and competency-based learning, expand sports and co-curricular programs, further strengthen inclusive educative practices, build future-ready skills among students, cognitive, emotional, and technological, continue nurturing confident, compassionate, and responsible citizens. In conclusion, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the management, staff, parents, and students for their constant support and trust. Together, we continue to build a school where every child is valued, challenged, and inspired to grow. Thank you, and have a pleasant evening. Over to Mr. Vineet.
Present here. I would like to formally welcome you all to our annual day program. This is a great day of fun and celebration as we get to witness our students perform in front of us. Both the students and the teachers have worked incredibly hard over the past few months to put up this show. Our chief guest for today is Mr. Smaran Ravichandran, a prolific cricketer in the Indian domestic circuit. He is currently playing a match, so he'll be joining us a bit later, and hearing his story and how he's achieved what he's achieved till now, his challenges, would be very inspiring for our students. So make sure you stick around, inculcating children with responsibility and maturity. As we all are a part of this planet, sharing the Earth's resources and interacting with each other, how we behave becomes very important, as our actions directly and indirectly impact others. As children grow up, they are required to make a lot of decisions at various levels for oneself, family, and others. And they need to be mature enough to deal with all kinds of situations that life brings. In this day and age of technological advancement, innovation, and a fast-paced society, a focus on values becomes particularly important. Children need to be educated of both positive and negative sides for ethical use of technologies like AI and robotics. These technologies can surely assist us in many things, but there cannot be a substitute for own thinking. School age is the right period for children to sharpen their mind and intelligence, as their brains are still developing until the mid-20s. Our job as educators and parents is to encourage more thoughtful thinking and creativity, not just in subjects, but in day-to-day situations.
Learning to hit the ball with a certain technique. Watching the ball requires more concentration and is more fundamental. Once the foundation is strong, one can improve the skill very easily. Our students have made us proud in winning numerous competitions over the past. Our cricket teams have been dominating in the inter-school tournament, earning back-to-back promotions to qualify for Division 1 in under 14 and under 16. We had several players representing various teams at the zonal level, and 3 of our students have got selected to represent Karnataka in various BCCI tournaments. It is a moment of great pride for us. In other sports too, we have made a lot of progress over the past year, with many students winning accolades in athletics, kho-kho,
yoga, and running. The results we have achieved is a testament to our commitment and investment in sports. I would like to end by thanking all the parents for trusting us, and we hope that we continue to get your support in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir, for the detailed annual report and for leading us, our school, with vision, dedication, and compassion.
May I request our honorable dignitaries kindly be seated off the stage as we proceed with the next segment of the program. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Before we move ahead with the cultural program, we would like to share a few important announcements with you. We kindly request all parents and guests to refrain from taking photographs or videos during the performances, as the school has made special arrangements with the professional photographers to capture these memorable moments for you. We also request all parents to stay until the end of the event, as your presence and encouragement means a lot to every child performing today. Announcements regarding dispersals will be made class-wise. Until then, we seek your patience and cooperation to ensure a smooth and safe dispersal process. Snacks are available at the food counter, and we invite you to make use of the facility at your convenience. Most importantly, we request you to be generous with your cheers and applause to appreciate the efforts of our talented young performers. Lastly, we seek your cooperation in maintaining the decorum throughout the event so that everyone can enjoy the program in a pleasant and respectful atmosphere. Thank you for your understanding and support.